Welcome to Now.
To demonstrate Sprint's incredibly fast data network, the Now Network, we created the world's largest widget and curated the entire internet on one page. We put planners to work scouring the web for news feeds, blogs, live cams, Google searches, YouTube videos. We formed partnerships and even let you be part of the site. You can add yourself, see top words, compare the buzz of two things. Play,
Your hand-now coordination needs work.
download music, countdown to Donut Day. And of course,
Coco.
get the time. It's everything you get when you plug in Sprint's mobile broadband card, the internet in all its eclectic glory, at broadband speed, keeping you connected to the moment.
All aboard the Now machine.
People always ask if it's real, and it is. Everything is either streaming in live or calculated from sourced facts. Those who like the site could take Now with them and put it on their desktop or Facebook page. The Now site has made its rounds on the blogs, with mentions on over 100,000 sites, including Twitter, Boing Boing, and the Wall Street Journal. The site made Contagious magazine's year-end tally, Most Contagious 2008, and even found its way into New York Magazine's approval matrix. On the brilliant side, all this with no advertising driving to it.
Now, you see it, then you don't.